Welcome to Jurisedge Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss important weekly legal update from 3rd January to 8th January 2022. In first important news, the Supreme Court has held that acquittal in a criminal case has no bearing on disciplinary proceedings. In the case of Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation versus Dilip Uttam, the Supreme Court has held that an acquittal in a criminal trial has no bearing or relevance on disciplinary proceedings. In the present case, the court has held that as per the cardinal principle of law, an acquittal in a criminal trial has no bearing or relevance on the disciplinary proceedings, as the standard of proof in both the cases are different and the proceedings operate in different fields and with different objectives. In second important news, the Supreme Court has held that an employee does not have an absolute right to be represented by agent of choice in departmental proceedings. In the case of Rajasthan Marudhara Grameen Bank versus Ramesh Chandra Meena, the Supreme Court has held that there is no absolute right in favor of the employee to be represented in the departmental proceedings through the agent of his choice, and the same can be restricted by the employer. In third important news, the Supreme Court has held that a SC/ST person cannot claim quota benefits in state to which he has migrated. In the case of Bhadraram versus Jassaram, the Supreme Court has held that a SC/ST person, in relation to his original state of which he is a permanent resident, cannot be deemed so in relation to any other state on his migration to that state. In the present case, the original defendant being a scheduled caste belonging to the state of Punjab and being an ordinarily and permanent resident of the state of Punjab cannot claim the benefit of a scheduled caste in the state of Rajasthan for the purpose of purchase of the land belonging to a SC person of state of Rajasthan, which was given to original allottee as scheduled caste landless person. In fourth important news, the Supreme Court has held that the decision of a tribunal can be scrutinized only by a jurisdictional high court. In the case of Union of India versus Alappan Bandyopadhyay, the Supreme Court has held that any decision of a tribunal can only be scrutinized by a high court which has territorial jurisdiction over the tribunal in question. The Supreme Court has held that all decisions of tribunals created under Article 323A and 323B of the Constitution will be subject to the scrutiny before a division bench of the High Court, within whose jurisdiction the concerned tribunal falls. The court also relied on the Constitution bench decision in L. Chandrakumar versus Union of India case. Lastly, the Supreme Court has held that mere common intention without an action in furtherance may not attract Section 34 of IPC. In the case of Jasdeep Singh Jassu versus State of Punjab, the Supreme Court has held that a mere common intention per se, without any action in furtherance, may not attract Section 34 of the Indian Penal Code. The court has further said that there may be cases where all acts in general would not come under the purview of Section 34, but only those done in furtherance of the common intention having adequate connectivity. This brings us to the end of our weekly legal update. If you like our content, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.